Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. I thought I'd come back with another country style lick. This is thinking of like pedal steel kind of sounds over like country western music. So this is some kind of basic variation on that. So I'm up here at the 12th fret on the B string. That's going to get a full bend. And I play the note below it. And I bring it down. I'm bending this 12th fret on the G string. And I'm grabbing this 10th fret here on the E string. And I basically finished the lick here on the 9th fret. It's coming out of this A major shape. If my root is here, so I'm thinking of that A major shape here. So I'm bending. This riff that I'm pulling off here, I'm just pulling from 11 to 9 on the G string, and then I'm grabbing the 11th fret here on the D string, and then I'm thinking of this A major minor pentatonic shape, pulling off from the 14th to the 11th fret, 14th on the D string. That's how I crawl up. This other bend, I'm going here on the G string on the 16th fret. I'm basically bending to that major third here. When I come down to this D shape, I'm bending, doing the same thing. And then E. That bend I'm thinking of, this shape here. So if I go, I'm bending this note up to that major third. Thought it'd be cool to finish it off with this like 2nd fret bend on the low E, open, and then grab an A string. Grab an A chord. Doing the same thing here. I'm just kind of bending to that major third and then grabbing my root and my 5th down here. Thanks, man. Give me a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.